Need professional carpet cleaning service in Houston? Our carpet cleaning not only makes your carpet look better, but also makes it last longer. Our system works through emulsification, heat, agitation, and absorption and is tailor-made to each home and needs. With our process, your carpets will dry within 3 hours, allowing you to get back to your home life. No need to worry about walking around on wet carpets for 24 hours or more. Our low-moisture cleanings ensure your carpets won't grow mold or mildew from excessive moisture. Try us, and you'll see our reputation is spotless. We will use the best designer products to clean your carpets. From our equipment to our solutions, you can rest assured knowing that you got more than what you paid for. With over 16 years of experience, our technicians are highly trained and experienced in the best carpet cleaning techniques. What are you waiting for? Call 281-492-3499. Visit our website, Houston Carpet Cleaning.